In this video of Technoholic Plus, I will be talking about how you can get Microsoft Office for free in 2026. We have been making videos related to Office and Office productivity since last 10 years, and if you are new to this channel, you will find several videos related to Windows and Office productivity in this channel. So if you are new to this, do consider subscribing to Technoholic Plus as we keep on making these kind of videos that are going to help you in improving your Office experience. Alright, now let's jump into our computer screen, and here I'm gonna open internet browser. So if you want Office for free and you are not a student or you do not belongs to any category where Microsoft gives Office for free, then not to worry, I will still show you the genuine method of getting Microsoft Office for free without any illegal method or recommending any gray website, because there is always potential of revealing your data or maybe getting hacked or getting scammed. We only will talk about the genuine method, and if you do not want to pay, I think you should use this one. Alright, so here what you see is internet browser. All you need to do here is we need to type office.com. Okay, let's hit it. So this will take you to this website, which is m365.cloud.microsoft.com. So I would say this is first change in end of 2025 or 2026. Now office.com have got different address. Alright, so here I am already signed in, so that's why I am seeing this screen. Maybe if you are opening this website for the first time, you may not see this. Just to show you how it will come, I'm gonna open the same in incognito. There you go. So you will see office.com, and then all you need to do is you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have, no worries, you're gonna get it for absolutely free by clicking here on sign up. Simply click here on sign up for free version of Microsoft 365. And then here you need to enter your email address, and there is nothing to worry about that you need Microsoft Outlook email or live.com or any other. You still can create your account using, let's say, Gmail account or whichever domain name account you have. For example, I'm gonna put here my Gmail ID, and now if I click on next, I still should be able to create my account. Now I'm just closing this. After you create the account, you're gonna see this kind of interface. Now there are two things. Either you can use it like this. Here you're gonna see everything is available, whether it is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote, or you can open an app and then you can go here and press these three dots, and from here you should be able to install it. Just go down and see this option, cast, save and share, and here you can click on install page as app. Once you do that and click on install, you will see that you have installed Microsoft Word separately in your system. Now you can always go there, click on create new document, select your account, and you can get started, and that too for absolutely free. The benefit of going this way is that, first of all, despite you have not paid anything, you're gonna get latest and greatest feature. For example, let's say just I am being a little bit open here. Somebody have installed the gray version of Office 2024. It looks like 2024 is the latest, but still it won't have got a dictate functionality. So you can use this functionality by even going with this free version. So in a way, despite this is free, you will get more features than perpetual. And of course, with free version, you're gonna get 5 GB of free storage where you can work in your document. And one more great thing about working in Word Online is that whenever you write anything, you do not need to worry about saving the document. It will save it for you. So here you can see it says saving and saved. So whatever change you make, it's going to instantly save it, and you do not need to worry about blackout if that exists, or sudden shutdown of your device, or even device being stolen, because your data stays in cloud. All you need to do is you need to utilize the same email address and you are good to go. So in a way, here you're gonna see all these apps just like the way I started Word. You can get started with Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. Now if I go back here and click on apps, here you will see even more apps from Office. So based on the plan that you have, you will see the number of apps will increase or decrease. So please mind that. But for sure, you're gonna get Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. All right. So this is how, guys, you can get Microsoft Office for free in 2025 or 2026 now, I would say, for absolutely free. And you can create as many documents as you want. And of course, you're gonna get the latest version of it. If you still have got any question related to this version of Office, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with your question. Thank you so much for being with us. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe so that you do not miss any these kind of productivity topics from Technoholic Plus. Thank you.